The French aircraft manufacturer Dassault Aviation is in talks to buy out the stake of its partner Reliance in their joint venture Dassault Reliance Aerospace Limited, that will make it a fully owned Dassault subsidiary. The MRFA will not be executed under the strategic partnership model that required manufacturing of the jets in India from the raw material stage that involved complex transfer of technology. The Indian Defence Ministry has already removed the offset clause that will also keep the price under check. If the Rafale aircraft is selected, the Dassault Reliance Aerospace facility could assemble 2 Rafale aircraft per month, and will also carry out Rafale servicing at a new center at the facility by early 2023. DRDO's Research and Development Establishment has released a request for proposal for the supply of 13 military-grade power connectors for the canister of the QRSAM, and 9 power connectors for the launcher of the QRSAM, that must be delivered within 4 months from the date of supply order. The Mach 4.7 QRSAM has a range of 30 kilometers, and it has already completed its development trials and is ready for production. The QRSAM system is currently 90% indigenous and will reach 99% incrementally. DRDO's Vehicle Research and Development Establishment has started development of a 25-ton Advanced Armoured Platform that will be a technology demonstrator for the FICV program, and is looking for an eligible private sector industry partner with adequate facilities within the country to undertake indigenous development and manufacturing of at least 100 vehicles per year. Latest tender documents reveal that it will have a length of 7.5 meters, width of 3.6 meters and height of 3.7 meters. It will feature 30 mm crewless turret, 7.62 mm coaxial gun, upcoming NAG Mark II ATGM launcher, 12.7 mm NSVT mounted on remote control weapon station, and will be powered by a compact integrated 750 horsepower engine with automatic transmission. It will have modular ballistic protection, blast protection, instant fire detection and suppression system, artificial intelligence-equipped battlefield management system, auto NBC detection and protection system, active protection system, and interface to operate loiter munition and mini UAV. It will have a cruising range of 400 kilometers and a speed of 70 kilometers per hour. After completion of technical trials of first prototype and crewless turret, a second prototype will also be developed for trials. DRDO has started development of NAG Mark II anti-tank guided missile that will be integrated into main battle tanks in a twin launcher configuration, with each launcher holding 1 missile. The NAG Mark II is an improved lightweight ATGM with performance improvement that will incorporate the new jet vane control system from the Helena, and will have a slightly increased range than the NAG Mark I. The Israeli Defense Minister Benny Gantz has arrived in India, and the high-level Israeli delegation discussed key issues pertaining to defense cooperation and global and regional scenarios during the bilateral meeting with the Indian Defense Minister. India and Israel will also sign a special security declaration to commemorate 30 years of diplomatic relations between the two countries. The 11th edition of the India-Italy Military Cooperation Group was held on 1st June in Rome, that focused on strengthening ongoing defense engagements between the two countries, and implementing new initiatives under the existing bilateral defense cooperation mechanism.